Keep watching the Becca brands on YouTube.
Yes.
Stay there, don't leave there.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, good afternoon guys. How you doing guys? Yeah. So guys, today I have a movie premiere at Samonda Ibadan, and I'm actually like dressed, waiting for my husband to get done so that I can carry her, since we don't know how to drive. So I'm waiting for him to get ready. So while waiting, I just want to make some videos. Like, I have this video I want to do, but there is no light. They said the national grid or something is down, so we don't have lights for like 3 days now. We are running on solar, and I don't want to use the solar to power the AC and also to turn on my lights and everything. So I'm going to do this video in the car, and hopefully it's going to be nice. Hopefully my husband is ready. Guys, I'm having chronic headache. Like, my head is eating out. Like, I'm feeling the heat outside. I'm going there to go and record. Like, I have to vlog. God, I hope I'll be at my best, shall.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
You know, man. Something to worry you. Something to worry you. Because what you in find for here? What you are not going to find here? You won't even get my DJ smile. No, I don't go smile. You know to say, Onisha, you don't put price for your head. And that is why I am here. To tell him I did him a favor. You understand? So it came.
Like one movie that has everything, so everything that makes it feel.
So can you see who I have here?
Okay guys, how you doing? My name is Muyiwa Ademola Authentic. How are you doing that?
Yeah guys, I'm actually so happy to meet him here, and we are at the movie premiere of
family Gbese.
Yeah, family Gbese. Guys,
Yeah,
please kindly watch this because it's so interesting. Yes. Guys.
Keep watching the Becca brands on YouTube.
Yes.
Stay there, don't leave there. God bless.
Yeah guys, bye guys. Thank you very much.
Over 10, if you're going to rate the movie over 10.
It's actually 10 over 10 because it's so interesting. Hi. Yeah. So we're in Lagos now, and I don't know where to position this phone actually. So I want to cook. I'm so hungry, and it's currently I think maybe 11. Guys, obviously I'm just waking up. Let me switch so I can see my face. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I'm just waking up. This is 6 and I have to be out by 7. I have so many things to do here in Lagos. I don't know if you can hear me, but I don't want to shout. Okay, I can shout actually. There's nobody inside the room. But yeah, that's the update. Good morning. Guys, can you see my eyes? Like, it's so swollen. I slept for maybe, I slept around after 2. So that was like 4 hours sleep. But I know I need to catch up on a lot. Like, I'm so tired. But I just have to do this because I just have to do it actually. So I quickly want to like get ready now so I can just rush out before 7 and I can be on there because I hate Lagos traffic actually. So because of Lagos traffic, I want to be out before 7 or by 7 so that I can be there by 8 or 9. Yeah, today's Thursday, and guys, yeah, that's the update. I have so many things to do. I have so many editing works to do, but that will be when I get to Ibadan because I don't think I can work here. I just need to make sure that I am fine. Like, I'm not really overstressed. I'm not really like, because yeah. Anyways, that's just the updates. Now we are in Lagos, and hopefully by maybe next tomorrow I'll leave Lagos. Yeah. Good morning once again. I hope you can hear that. Good morning. Yeah, so guys, I'm back home and I'm going out again. Like, there is no pepper, so I want to go and get pepper. Very small pepper, not too much. But yeah. So guys, I'm apparently waiting for my husband. See, I'm looking so rough, guys. I had a long day today. Let me just use this so that I can cover my shame. Yeah, I had a long day today. I went out very early in the morning and I came back like not quite long, and it's currently dark. I think this is like almost 7. I got home and we have nothing to cook, so there is actually nothing in the house to cook. But there is noodles, so I just want to do like noodles, like stir-fry noodles just for us tonight. Then I'll be leaving Lagos tomorrow. So I'll be leaving Lagos very early tomorrow. So that's just that. So my husband is outside to go and get pepper, guys. I hope he's going to get the right thing. I told him just buy tomato and onions. He's saying rodo, and I don't know, but I hope so. Anyways, that's the gist. You don't like it? But I love it. Now come on, get down. Okay, let me help you. Wait, see. Hold on, let me help you. You need help, right? Hey, wait. Hey. Hey, go, Baba. Yeah. 500 naira. Good morning, guys. So today is the last day in Lagos. I'm leaving Lagos today, but I just made breakfast and I'm about to make some tea or chocolate or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so, and I'll go upstairs to go and shower, then we'll start leaving now after eating though. Yeah, that's just that. Yeah, you want to walk cooking by yourself? Very cool. We are so scared to walk outside. Hi guys, good afternoon guys. I'm back to Ibadan and I have a movie premiere to attend and I'm dressed. So I did my makeup very quick guys, I'm already late. But yeah, so I'm dressed. Okay, I think this thing is, should we do like this? So I'm dressed and I'm on my way guys. That's the update. For now guys, I'm really tired. I had a test this morning and guys, I read just one part. I did not know we are supposed to read like 3 topics. I just read 1 topic, so I did not like, the result wasn't good, but yeah, anyways, that's that. Like, we move. Yeah, so currently I'm on my way. I will see you when I get there, hopefully. The lighting is so bad. I'm coming.